Hello, welcome. My name is Joshua. This is D1 out of 5 of my day trading. So today, I was basically trying to figure out if I wanted to switch to indices or forex, because I'm basically switching off of crypto. Crypto doesn't really it's not made for ICT concepts. People have said that too. So I just wanted to test out something else, see if it'll actually work a little better than crypto, because crypto it works, but I feel like it's mostly luck. Because most of my trade it'll work. Like ICT concepts will work sometimes, but on crypto, it just doesn't follow stuff like liquidity sweeps and what is it called, fair value gaps as much. They'll get disrespected really fast. I feel like it might be time frame wise, but I think crypto might be a little better because I did some back testing and it was my strategy was working out most of the time. And I was gonna use indices, but the SPX it is not for me, especially because of these gaps. Like I just can't. Like I don't know how people are supposed to trade this. It's probably because people like to trade it like more long term, but that's not my kind of trade. I like shorter trades. Like I'll take a single trade in a day. It'll just be a day trade. And I'll basically just go over my strategy real quickly. So as you can see, I cannot tell what the trend is. So I'm just gonna go down. Just go to a random spot right here. That'll work. And I'll just beat through this 4 hour. I need to look for a trend. Alright, we're bearish. Bearish on the 1 hour too. Wait, are we? Because it depends. If we're not, alright, we're still bearish. It looks like we're filling a fair value gap too, honestly. This is like even better, honestly. This is like way better. Because if we just if we just swept the high, I count these as highs, honestly. I don't really want these to be the high that gets swept. I want this to get swept because I don't want low set liquidity to get swept. It doesn't really give the market enough liquidity to move to the side that I want it to. But this could work, especially after we hit like these huge fair value gaps. So I think this is good enough. So now, based off of this fair value gap, I want to enter like off a 5 minute fair value gap also, because we have these fair value gaps, but I still want like uh, a local fair value gap, I guess. As you can see, we weren't getting any. This one didn't get respected. We didn't we tap into it, but this one looks like it could. And I want displacement out of it. If every time I take a trade off of a fair value gap, I don't enter like where the fair value gap is. I need to see displacement out of it before I enter. And I'll basically enter using a buy or a market entry. I don't use limit or stop. It just depends. See, this one got disrespected. I no longer want it at all. This one right here, we still have that. Oh, we did have a fair value gap. We have this one right here. I just didn't see it. We could have entered off of that. Got out down here, but it just doesn't matter now. And we swept this high again. So it's another liquidity sweep. And we go again. I just keep waiting. That's a base. That's. Did we respect it though? Like I know people will say like, oh, it doesn't really matter, but for me, I need to like actually have like a real. Like as you can see, this is not it for me. I don't really like that. It's not really getting respected as much. I mean, I guess it is, but it's just not for me. If it like displaces even above it like a little bit, I don't really like that. See, you're just moving sideways, and we disrespected again. Like my what is it called? My idea of respecting a fair value gap is probably different from most people. Most people would think like respecting a fair value gap is just going in it and dropping back out or something like that, which I understand that does work, but like if it displaces out of it a little bit, that's just not like something you want to take a trade based off of. And as you can see, swept this high again. Now we have another fair value gap, and the reason I'm not taking a trade off of like the 1 hour fair value gap is because of like lower time frame movement like this will happen most of the time, and it's just not worth the trading like based off of that. And I'm thinking my stop is gonna be, I don't know, my entries, take profit is going to be about down here, or ICT usually says having it like set a little lower than there. Like swing lows like that, never get really took. Okay, we're having lots of displacement now. So if we respect any one of these, then I'm taking it off of there. As you can see, this one gets us suspected, just so we can enter into this one now. And now, okay, we're selling here, and then a stop is gonna be right here, just above these highs. I wanted to set like a few ticks above, and then take profit is gonna be right down here. So I want it to be a little lower. Like a lot of people will say, like these kind of trades, they're like 50-50, right? You're not always gonna hit take profit. I don't want it to be like, I want it to be right there. I could make it a little lower, but I'll just make up my mind. So if we get stopped, we get stopped. It is what it is. As you can see, why did it go so fast? Alright, but that was it. Pretty simple. Yeah, it went all the way down, which I really didn't expect. But when you have confluences like this that just keep adding into each other, that really makes the trade more what's called likely to get hit, right? And that was basically what you just saw. Yeah, I will be switching to Forex. We'll start trading what is called on Monday. So I mean, markets are closed right now. So I'll be taking a trade on Monday. I'll just have to break the rules in school, you know, just take my phone out, because my phone will get taken if we get like seen. They got like new rules and stuff at school, but we ball, bro. Come on now. I'm not gonna let school stop me from taking a trade. I'll just sneak that shit. Alright, that's basically thank you for watching.